That's gonna look like Max's. We gotta put that one. Let's just feel that out, man.
A bug is really fucking happening.
Yeah, it's part of the landscape.
Damn, I kind of like the mixture of like just tacks and then a couple of frames. Thank you.
We put it horizontal.
Oh yeah. I was thinking vertical, but that'd be hard to do.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Like
They're tall.
I'll show you.
Flash looks so
Below the.
Is that natural?
Are you okay? He's a little cold.
So I'm gonna take him. Not this weekend, I think next week.
Amongst the crowd. Did you know that? I'm gonna hate you.
You're not bad.
No, I don't know.
Love everybody. It's great.
Could imagine sitting like
Did you have to get like
I know.
how are you? His name's Jovon.
Yeah. Oh, awesome. I live on Southie Avenue.
Yeah, like the Prime News that that's how they did all that too, which I was like, that's...
Said that she was like her in the she's like here. Like the first time I went there, she said that. I was like, yeah, I'm sure. It's a really nice place.
To get like burgers and whatnot, and I'm like, I was like getting sad. Like, just that. And then like recommissioned artists.
no rare.
All of my tapes, like I'm like, why do I have in the way I'm immediately dropping it. He looks like so many kids that I know. Like,
Yeah.
he just looks so familiar.
The one in Minneapolis on University.
This guy's cigarettes backwards.
I'll see you.
Like not like
No, it's okay.
whatsoever.
And like I haven't seen him in a while. I really like this one. Like at first from afar, it looked like it was photoshopped. Like,
Yeah, last time I was there,
it's
That's crazy. Sometimes
and I like how like
more than
Angela, that's Ashley. Hi, nice to meet you. I'm not dude. Hi, Miriam. Go, Jack, go!
I would like incubator. It was probably the worst.
You called him by his Instagram handle?
Somebody to work. No, I just mean the actual. I'm excited. Just because